How to use credits on Mulebuy. Now, Mulebuy is actually a specific platform which you can shop online on any products available on their platform. So first things first is of course pull up any preferred web browser that you can use and then just head directly to mulebuy.com. Of course, you have to log in to your official account using your username and password or maybe email and password. Now, once you're logged in, your specific credits or your Mulebuy points is gonna be actually will serve as a payment or a specific fund that you can use to purchase on your next shopping list. So what you can do first is make sure that you have enough credit or enough points to serve as a fund or a payment on your next item. So just simply choose or just use this search box right here to provide a product link, a name or a shop link or any products you want to purchase. Now you can switch it over to your cart list or on your payment area or in your payment page. Just simply choose on or change your payment method into Mulebuy credits or Mulebuy points, and there you can use it to serve as a payment. So that's how you use Mulebuy credits.